It's important to know what apps are connected to your banking accounts. Chase is one of the banks that I use, and they allow different apps to connect to your bank to do different services, maybe transfer money or see how you spend your money so you can track that. But you can see all of the apps that are connected, and then I'm also going to show you how to remove some if you don't want those connected and don't want to give them access to your information or ability to transfer money and things like that anymore. What we want to do is tap on the More icon on the bottom of the screen, and then under self-service we want to tap on security and privacy. From here we can scroll down and we're going to be able to see our linked apps. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on that, and then this will show all of the apps that your Chase account is connected to, and there will also be a date next to these to show like when you set this up. So like Binance US, that was over 3 years ago. I probably don't want that connected anymore. So I can tap on this and then just tap unlink all accounts at the bottom. This will give some extra information. Check this box and then tap yes, unlink. Then when we scroll back through, you'll see Binance no longer linked, and you're good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.